Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to transfer everything from your old iPhone to your new iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to have actually is to have your old phone. So if you don't have your old phone, you need to wait for the next method. But if you already have your old phone, the first thing that you need to do is to click on the set up a new iPhone option on your iPhone. Also, you need to open the quick start option on your new iPhone. So now you can just actually find your old iPhone and transfer everything from the old iPhone to the new iPhone. Also, if you don't have your old iPhone, also you can just click on setup without another device. And from here you can actually just download from iCloud. So using the download from iCloud option, you can just download any backup that you have made through your old iPhone, and that will actually transfer anything that you have backed up through your old iPhone before you sold it or before you did anything with your old iPhone. So now you can just get your data through the cloud. I'll see from here you can just click on from iCloud backup, and that's it. Now you just need a strong Wi-Fi and the backup will just download on your new iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.